How to make money online with proven strategies from best-selling books. In this video, you will learn how to use a few strategies from the book Atomic Habits to generate money online with concrete examples. If you want to discover all the strategies, you can download the book for free through the link in the description. Atomic Habits by James Clear is a book about how making small changes in our habits can lead to big improvements in our lives. This same principle can be applied to making money online. Here are some examples. 1. Focus on process over outcome. Instead of only focusing on how much money you want to make, concentrate on the things you need to do to achieve that goal. By breaking down your goal into smaller steps and focusing on the actions required to achieve those steps, you'll be more likely to achieve your goal of making money online. For example, if your goal is to make money through affiliate marketing, focus on the process of selecting and promoting relevant products or services, building a website or blog to promote those products, and creating high-quality content that will attract and engage potential customers. 2. Create a system of habits that support your goal. For instance, if you want to make money through blogging, create a habit of writing for an hour each day, researching your target audience, and promoting your content on social media. By doing this consistently, you'll build your readership, attract more traffic to your website, and eventually generate revenue through advertising, affiliate marketing, or selling products. 3. Link new habits with existing ones to create an efficient and effective system. If you want to make money through social media marketing, link the habit of creating engaging content with the existing habit of checking your social media accounts. For example, every time you check your social media accounts, make it a habit to spend 10 to 15 minutes creating and scheduling new posts or engaging with your audience. 4. Identify and eliminate bad habits, like spending too much time on social media or procrastinating on important tasks. By doing this, you'll free up time and energy to focus on building your online business. For example, identify the root cause of your procrastination and create a plan to overcome it. You could set a timer and work on the task for a set amount of time each day until it's complete. In summary, Atomic Habits is a useful guide for anyone looking to make money online. By developing good habits, creating a system to support those habits, and eliminating bad habits, you can achieve success in the digital world. Remember, you can download the book for free through the link in the description. Learn more strategies to make money online by checking out our videos. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to discover more strategies for making money online. Thank you for watching the video.